All right, now we got to put it back on the bike. So these got to be loosened, right? On both sides. There we go. All right, so I got to pull it forward and then slide the chain around it, then slide it back. This is where the gloves come in handy. This chain's kind of gooky. So let's pull that out. We got to get the chain around it, and then I'm just going to set her there. And then what I want to do is get it right on there like that. And then we're going to slide it back till we get to a spot, and then we got to balance it inside here so it's even, right? And then we start to tighten her down a little bit just to get an idea of where we're at. It's got to be center, right? So now if we look at it and we spin it, the idea is to make sure it's kind of centered. So it looks like I got to come a little bit this way and then tighten that down a little bit more, right like that. And then let's see how much play we got in this. All right, so I think we're kind of close. So let's get this on it. This has got to come a little bit more this way. And let's go ahead, we're going to change this. We're going to put it to the tightening mode. I'm starting over here. Now I do have to hook this up here. But first I want to get the tire pretty straight inside this area so we're looking good. So we're going to go right about there. All right, let's hold that there. Let's see if we're looking good. I mean, are we straight? See if there's more room on this side. So I got to loosen it. I got to come the other way. So I got to come this way a little bit more. I think a little bit more. Got to come up. All right. Let's see how that looks. I got so much extra room there. It's too close to this one side, so this side's got to come up a little bit. Let's see if that works. Okay, that's that. All right, push that thing right over there. Okay, all right. So we got to bend it. Don't want to lose that. Here it is. Just going to bend it, just like that. Then we're going to go around there and lock it on. Gonna go like that. And then we just got to smush that stuff through there. Get her through. All right, we're gonna need a hammer. So I'm just basically tapping this up, that's all. There we go. Now I can connect it here. There we go. Now where's our Phillips? Get on it. There we go. Now we're doing it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And that's gonna tighten it right down on there. And keep that tire where it needs to be. So anyway, folks, I do learn as I go. So, okay, we may have to loosen that out a little. All right, so now we're on there. Let's see how we're doing. It looks pretty good. All right, now I got to tighten down the other side, right? So let's come back over here to our chain side, and I just got to get it tightened. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So now you should be good. Of course, we won't know until we take it for a spin, right? Now let's get this side. Okay. One more on this side. And I'm not sure how tight you're supposed to make this, but there we go. I mean, it looks okay, I guess. Let's see how we do on this. All right, let's see if we got it. I think that might be good. I don't know if we got too much play in the... You have to have some play in it, I guess. All right, I guess we could try and take it for a ride. What do you think? Let's go ahead and get her gloves off. And we'll see how she runs. We'll see how she performs. Okay? All right, here we go. Woo! do you think? I think we fixed it. Not a bad job. And I'm pedaling, it's nice and smooth. I think we fixed it, we're good. That tire cost me, I think 80 bucks. Or that wheel cost me 80 bucks on Amazon. And now this looks super clean, I like it. It's like almost like a new bike. So that wasn't too hard, it took about a half hour. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff like that. Peace out.